Okay guys, so I was trying to discover nature, and here are some nature items. You can see, not the car ones. This is the nature, you can see. Okay, now around there. So I'm continuously discovering the nature, and then I finally done with the everything that I wanted. So um actually I've done it. I've done a lot of things, a lot of very good things, and there are the red roses. Like, okay, in the modern world and in the ancient world, these are used to propose someone. So, but I'm not in the mood to propose someone, and actually I am a school student, so I will not do that thing. So, why you are expecting from me? Okay, now, okay. So, anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Take in peace. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So, bye.